May ako? Balay! Guys, I'm sorry. There's some troller. I can't explain. I can't explain first. You troll. You troll. You troll. Aha. Bro, you troll so noob, bro. You dumb. Aha. No! Ayoko walang damit. Ayoko nga unan. Trying to troll me? Trying to troll me? Okay, you did just not. No. You can't troll me, bro. Can't troll me. Ah, wait. Let me try. Okay, there's no way. There's no secret thing there. Guys, I'm so dumb. I didn't even see this, bro. What the heck? Oh yeah. Yeah. Nobody did. This bro just died. Okay. I just need to be more careful, bro. Be more careful. I need to be more careful. Control it! That was the biggest nightmare I had in my life. So, by the way, let's just get going. Yeah. And I just wish that I can live in there. God, please save me, bro. What the hell way am I getting from? Okay, let this continue. No way! This is for the globe. This for the globe. Let's do this OB. Let's do this OB. Let's troll them. Let's troll this. Oh my god. Yo. Why did I just scream? Okay, by the way, let's just go. You call me out. Call me out. You bad. Oh my god. Hell nah. Hell no. Yeah, I need to teach this person a lesson, bro. Okay, need to be more careful. What the is that? Yo! Fuck! Bro, is this guy kind of attack of a... Is getting brain rot? No, brain rot. Ooh. Yeah, let's just do the OB, bro. Let's just not try to get that club again. Ain't no bull. This type of thing can't ignore it. I'm ready to break down the door. Said let's go. Can't let go. It's mad up your face. No, the love. There's someone that I was crazy. Baby girl, I know. I can't let you go away. Don't get me started now. I worry so maybe you stay living where you found me. So don't leave. Ooh, what is that? You got me feeling. It's like ooh.
I'm tired of this life.
Bro, what the? Why did I just sound like that?
Ew!
Let's continue this one.
Big Ben!
Bro, in our southern, we have the urban legend. Yeah. This thing's getting too crazy. Why do I cut this video so many times? Yeah, by the way, let's just continue the or the video will be getting cut down because my storage is full. You know that. Yeah, he just tried to call me. I just wanted to continue this OB. Yeah. By being the positive. Yeah, by the way, wait, let me go to some place that I can be safe. In this secret place. So yeah, let's end the video here. So okay, if you want to see more videos of me, just subscribe and click the ring. So yeah, always like and subscribe my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.